Hello everyone, my name is Tamar and this is my little sister Amila.
Hi.
And today we are going to be making noodles. She wants to demonstrate making noodles, especially for people that's her age or younger.
And I really wanted to make this video.
Yes. So I said, okay, we can make one, and I put it on my channel. Like, comment, and
subscribe
to this channel if you guys want to see more videos. And let us know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos with me and my little sister, and we can make, children videos together.
Or we can make a song.
Yes. And we're gonna get on to the video, and she's gonna be demonstrating everything. All right, so see ya.
Today we're making these Roman shrimp noodles.
Let's start.
Now that I've poured all of the water out the noodles, I'm gonna be seasoning the noodles and stirring the noodles up. And I'm all done.
She is all finished with making her noodles. This is actually her first time making her very own noodles. Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you enjoyed my little sister making her own noodles. And encourage someone her age, or encourage somebody else to make their noodles. She's really enjoying it. She wanted the chicken flavor, but she accidentally opened up the shrimp flavor. But she likes the shrimp flavor. As you can see, she's eating away. All right, she finished all her noodles. There's still some on your face. So like, comment,
And
subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching us. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye. Okay. Lemon noodles. Get the rest off the face.